it gets to the end of the year, I like to do a little reset. I feel like I don't want to bring old energies and whatever into the new year. So as you can see behind me, my room is an absolute mess at the moment, and I feel like your environment is everything. Like, you need to start from a good space. So to do this like little quick kind of like, well, we'll see if it's gonna be quick, but to do this little like reset, first of all, I need to tackle my room. I need to tackle this space. I want to make sure I'm letting go of things that I don't need, whether that be like clothes or shoes or whatever, so we can sort that out. And then I'm gonna shower because I've just woken up. I'm gonna shower and do like some self-care, that kind of reset. Then we're gonna tackle my skincare, because I feel like once my room is tidy, my space is tidy, then I feel like I can rejuvenate, and I want to go into next year taking really good care of my skin. So now is a good time to start. And then if I have some time, I'm gonna do like a quiet like reflection, journaling, etc. But we will see when we get to that. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and let's go tackle this room. When it comes to a reset, the first place you need to tackle, or for me anyway, when I'm tidying my room, I need to make up my bed first. It doesn't matter what the rest of the room looks like. I need to make up my bed. We are gonna make up my bed first and start with that. So the next bit that I'm going to tackle is whole area. We have clothes. I'm so bad at like putting clothes away on time, so for now the clothes are just going to go on the bed. We're going to deal with that later, but the main thing I want to tackle is like this little area. A lot of shoes on here that I don't actually like wear at the moment. It's not the right season, or I just don't want, so they're all going to go into a black bag. They're going to go into a loft. Let's get into that. I think to kind of tackle this area, I'm just going to literally take everything off and see what I'm working with and decide if I want to keep it or it needs to go into the black bag. This little section is done now. I got rid of so many shoes. They've gone into the black bag, but I was able to make space for like my bags, and yeah, that was a lot. Okay, next we're gonna tackle this whole kind of like area. This is more my like vanity where like my TV is, but I have all of like my makeup and body creams and whatever. And then over there is like my desk, but it kind of becomes a bit of like a storage space where I will just dump clothes and whatever else. So we're going to start here and then we will move over there. I've cleaned the surface. I need to clean this, but next we're going to tackle like all of this. I actually need to get like something that's bigger than this, because this literally has like makeup in it, my toiletries, all of like my makeup brushes and stuff, which I actually need to go and clean. And I need to get rid of some of this makeup actually, because I don't use it. But we're going to take everything out and then I'll clean it and then we'll put stuff back. Okay, now that this area is done, we're gonna tackle Yeah, one of the areas that I actually think is probably the worst and the messiest in my room, because I will literally, I feel like having a chair sometimes in your room just attracts stuff. Just stuff. Even having a table, like literally just stuff. Okay, this area of my room is literally the epitome of having a table and just hiding things. Like I said, things will go on my chair, underneath here. I'm just like, oh, it's just like stuff that I need to sort out. But to make my room look tidy, I'll kind of just like dump it underneath here. So this area is going to take a little while to tackle. So we're going to speed it up a bit. Okay, this whole section, this side of my room is done. You can probably tell by the lighting, it's actually starting to get dark. Like, I don't even know what the time is and what time I started this, but this side is done. You can't see it, but there's like mess everywhere on the floor. I just need to tackle that side and then tidy up my bed, and then we will finally be done with to-do list point number 1, which is to clean my room and clean my space. Okay. This side of my room, particularly like this area here, is just full of like random clothes, and I actually probably need to take some time to sit down and go through all of my clothes and decide, you know, like what am I going to give away, what am I going to keep, etc, etc. But tidying my room already has taken long enough, and there's still so much more that I need to do, that for now I'm just going to tidy it to the best of my ability, and maybe get rid of like a few things, but I'm not going to do like a deep clean of this section because we just don't have time. Okay, my entire room is tidy now. My bed, the shoes, my little vanity bit, my desk. Like, I'm so glad that it's tidy. I don't even know what the time is. I just know that I have spent the entire day tidying my room, enough so that it's now dark. But no, in the UK, it could probably be like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I don't even know. But my room is tidy now. So I'm gonna go and eat. And then after I eat, I'm gonna shower and then do my skincare. And yeah, we will see how the rest of the evening goes. I am so glad that I've eaten, because I have this really bad habit of not eating anything when I know there's something that I need to do. So because I was tidying my room, I literally won't eat until it's done. But it was Indian my fave, so I'm not complaining. So now I'm just gonna put my wig band on and my bonnet, and we're gonna shower and do some self-care. Okay guys, honestly, I think that is me done for today. I had to have a look at the time. I have been doing this reset that was meant to be a quick reset, but it literally turned into like a deep clean of my room and clear out and all of that. I'm so sure I started around like 11:30, 12, and now it's definitely after 5 coming up to 6. So I have literally been tidying all day. I've had my shower, I've done my skincare. I literally just want to rest for now. I might journal tomorrow and kind of reset, but now that my space, my environment is reset and is clean and is like tidy and all of that, like I just feel so much better going into the new year. And I'm excited to start from like this energy going forward. But yeah, let me know if you guys like these kind of videos, want me to do more. The main thing is that we are elevating from the inside out, and when it comes to a reset, I feel like your environment, the place that you spend literally the most time in, needs to be clear and clean and just, in my opinion, like open. I always feel like your room is a reflection of your mind and what's going on internally. So I feel like a tidy room, a tidy mind, a clean room, a clean mind. Yeah, but I will see you guys in the next video.